gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and
Honor 90 GT, and it's just hit the market today. This phone packs a punch with its high-speed OLED display, top-notch processor, a dual 50-megapixel camera setup, fast charging and many more. The GT in its name hints that it's a super powerful device. In my video, I will be doing an unboxing and giving you a detailed review. Plus, I will be putting the phone through some extreme performance test. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. The Honor 90 GT comes in a white box. Once you remove the plastic and open the lid, the first thing you will see is the Honor 90 GT phone itself. Checking out the rest of the box content, you will find a SIM ejector tool, a clear case, a Type-C to a cable and a 100-watt power adapter. Removing the plastic wrap of the phone, let's talk about the design and build. The Honor 90 GT sports a gold color, and when you look at it, the phone is pretty slim, measuring 7.9 mm in thickness and weighing is around 185 grams. Its camera module features the several circles. Looking at the front of the phone, you will notice thin bezels around the screen, giving it a sleek look and a high screen to body ratio, similar to the Honor 100 Pro. The Honor 90 GT also boasts the Honor Oasis Eye Protection screen, offering a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus OLED display. During the HDR video test, it hits a maximum brightness of 1200 nits, while the local peak brightness reaches up to 2600 nits. The brightness level are indeed high, and when you check out the colors in the vivid mode, you get up to 89.9% of the P3 color gamut. The screen quality is impressive, plus it's packed with the eye protection feature. It supports the industry's highest 3840Hz PWM dimming feature. So even at low brightness, you won't experience too much visual fatigue. The display also includes the 360-degree adaptive dimming support, thanks to the sensor on the both front and back side of the phone, making sure your eyes stay comfortable. There is also the automatic brightness adjustment feature and additional support for the natural eye protection. Overall, the phone promises an outstanding eye care experience. Friends, I will soon be uploading and unboxing the detailed review video of the OnePlus 12R, set to launch in the UK next month. To get the unboxing and review, join our tech team for the latest update. Alright, diving into the main deal of the Honor 90 GT. The performance. This phone packs a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, last year's flagship chip. Here is the variant with 24GB RAM and 1TB of storage, which is becoming more common in the phone nowadays. So what's the special here? Now let's talk about the something specific. Looking at the frame rate curve during the gaming, the room temperature during the game was 25 degrees Celsius with the brightness of 200 nits and volume at 50%. In 1 hour gaming test, the Honor 90 GT was put through its pace for the first 30 minutes playing Genshin Impact in Sumeru City area, resulting in the average frame rate of 60.4 FPS. The next 30 minutes spent in the Mondstadt map, showing minor fluctuation. Overall, the average frame rate remained above 60 FPS. This performance showcased why it's called the GT phone, and remarkably there were 10 other apps running in the background while gaming. Impressively, even a chat application ran for 20 minutes alongside the gaming test. The gaming was done at 720p resolution and the performance was outstanding even under the extreme load. Both the large and super large cores of the CPU were actively engaged. Throughout the game, the power consumption stayed around 5.8 watts and the battery dropped by 32% after 1 hour of gaming. The back of the phone reached a temperature of 41.8 degrees Celsius, while the front hits the 44.5 degrees Celsius. The claims made during the Honor 90 GT launch event hold true. This phone truly offers the smoothest performance with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. But that's not all. It also features the GPU Turbo X extraordinary truth engine. This engine even upgrades the resolution for gaming like Genshin Impact, allowing you to play it at 1080p. This not only enhances the gaming but also brings the picture quality improvements that even some phones with the independent display chip haven't achieved yet. In this phone, they have finally tuned the flagship chip GPU and NPU for the amazing performance. You will get a high quality experience similar to the PC version of the Genshin Impact. Plus, there are HDR effect support, which amps up the lighting and shadow effect compared to the normal mode. If you want to high frame rate experience in the Genshin Impact, just turn on the frame rate enhancement feature and voila, you can play it at a smooth 120 FPS. If you want to boost the touch sampling rate for the improved touch sensitivity, you can optimize that too. The best part, you can active all these features together. The phone not only rocks the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor but also boasts a super frame independent display chip which greatly amps up the game performance, and there is more. The self-developed RF enhancements chip C1 is also on board for the enhancement of overall experience. This phone comes with a really fancy cooling system called the 3D freeze cold drive. It's got some brand new high-tech stuff inside. There is this big vapor chamber that helps with the getting rid of the heat, plus a special sheet made of the top-notch graphite. That's the awesome at the spreading out the heat. On top of that, it's got a smart system to handle all the heat. So because it's got such a great cooling system built in, it bounds to perform really well. The Honor 90 GT has a pretty cool camera setup. It got a 2 camera at the back, a 50 megapixel main camera that uses the Sony IMX906 sensor and has a optical image stabilization, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera that can also do close-up shots like a macro lens. You can see the sample photos. If you are into the selfie, the front camera is 16 megapixel and supports air roll algorithm, which helps make your selfie look even better. The Honor 90 GT comes with a 5000 mAh battery and supports super fast 100 watt charging. It takes about 31 minutes to fully charge from 0 to 100%. It runs on Magic OS 7.2 based on Android 13, though Android 14 might have been expected. The starting price for the base variant in China is around 2599 Chinese yuan, which roughly converted to about 290 UK pound. If this launches in the UK at the same price, it's likely to be the top phone in its segment. Testing shows the outstanding performance, a superb display with a top-notch eye protection, fast charging, but the camera might be just average. Now we will have to wait and see when it to launch in the UK and at what price it hits the market. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any question, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. We'll be signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.
And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself